Raymoto 10W, 20W Handheld Laser Engraver with Air Purifier, portable engraving machine for wood, metal and more, DIY engraving tool for makers and professionals. Unleash your creativity and bring your ideas to life with the Raymoto 10W, 20W Handheld Laser Engraver, a high-performance and portable laser engraving solution designed for both hobbyists and professionals. This versatile engraving tool combines cutting-edge laser technology with powerful functionality, enabling you to engrave with precision on a wide variety of materials, including wood, metal, leather, acrylic, glass, and more. Equipped with a powerful 10W or 20W diode laser module, the Raymoto Laser Engraver delivers exceptional accuracy and depth in every detail. Whether you're creating intricate artwork, personalizing gifts, customizing tools, or launching your small business products, this machine is built to help you achieve stunning, professional-grade results. One of the standout features of the Raymoto Engraver is its integrated air purifier system, designed to filter smoke and fumes during the engraving process. This feature not only improves your working environment but also extends the life of the laser module and ensures cleaner, crisper engravings. Its handheld and compact design makes it incredibly easy to use and carry, allowing you to work on large surfaces or irregularly shaped objects that traditional desktop engravers cannot handle. The ergonomic grip and lightweight body make long engraving sessions comfortable and fatigue-free. The machine is also compatible with various design software and supports multiple file formats, allowing seamless integration with your digital workflow. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast, an artist, a craftsperson, or a professional engraver, the Raymoto Laser Engraver is the perfect companion for your next project. Key features: available in 10W or 20W high-power laser options. Handheld and portable design for flexible use. Engraves on wood, metal, acrylic, leather, glass, and more. Integrated air purifier for safe and clean operation. Precision laser technology for detailed and accurate results. Compatible with popular engraving software. Ideal for home workshops, studios, and small businesses. Take your engraving to the next level with the Raymoto Handheld Laser Engraver, the perfect blend of power, portability, and precision.